Guys, welcome to Souls of Samadhi. My name is Myles, and welcome to another video. Today's video will be going over Surya Namaskar, A and B. So first, I think it's important to just give reverence, or not give reverence, but give an explanation as to what Surya Namaskar is, what it means, where it originates, the intentionality behind it, and etc. So firstly, the name Surya Namaskar. Surya is it's a word which means sun, but it's to represent, the Great Spirit, God, creation. It's that essence. It's representing that manifestation of that as the sun. So it's an aspect of God represented by the sun. And then Namaskara is the seeker of truth and knowledge and wisdom. And so it's in a nutshell, it's basically showing reverence, showing love and appreciation for the sun, for the beautiful and powerful energy that the sun is, and for giving us life. And usually this practice is done early morning. Traditionally speaking, it was done early morning and facing the east for the sunrise. And it's also done very meditatively. It's done in a slow manner, and you want to really arrive or allow yourself to be, and you're moving with intention. You're noticing each nuance with your body. You're noticing your breath. You're noticing how you are arriving into the space, and it's just an opportunity to, again, keeping or knowing that in the back of your mind is a nice way to come back to gratitude, come back to something bigger than yourself. Because I think a lot of the times, so many of us can come to these yoga practices and not even know that we're doing Surya Namaskar or the intention behind it. So it's important to bring that distinction forward, and just to bring that awareness for those that haven't done their teacher training or don't know that's what they're doing. So again, with this, it'll be broken down into Surya Namaskar A and Surya Namaskar B. So I'll guide you through the movements. We'll do a little flow together of both of them. And yeah, we'll take it from there. Cool.